The word alternative investment can have many meanings. The fact that it is not easy to pinpoint or understand should give pause. The most common types of alternative investments are hedge funds, private equity, private credit, venture capital, private real estate, private infrastructure, real assets, and so on. In simple terms, an alternative investment is describing an asset class that is not one of cash, fixed income, and equities. Most investments that fall outside of those three buckets could be considered alternative. Alternative investment strategies can typically use leverage, short selling, or other uncommon approaches to investing. It used to be that to invest in alternatives, you needed to be an accredited investor. An accredited investor is someone who meets certain financial criteria set by regulators, like the Canadian Securities Administrators, that allow them to access investments not available to the general public. In many cases, being an accredited investor is not required anymore. With alternative investments, there are common themes, such as the risk is often higher, liquidity can be an issue, the fees are higher, often everything's more complex, and there tends to be less regulation. We've seen many instances where alternative investments fail to deliver on their promises. Returns are often eroded by high fees, values can decline sharply, and during periods of market stress, redemption restrictions can leave investors without access to their funds. The Greenard Group model portfolios do not hold any alternative investments. As portfolio managers, we must follow Know Your Client and Know Your Product rules. With Know Your Client, we feel that alternative investments would not be suitable for most clients. Each alternative investment has different features that we feel becomes overly complex when different types are added. This makes Know Your Product considerably harder. We do not invest in any high risk or speculative holdings. Our commitment is to keep things simple, focus on high quality holdings and tax efficiency, and aim to maintain liquidity. If you like this video, you can discover more videos in the Greenard Exchange section of our website. You can also read both past and current articles in the Greenard Index section. Thanks for listening.